Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Kashmir Food Fusion. Click on the subscribe button here to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to remain updated. Today we are going to show you how to make Matar Pulao at home. This Matar Pulao recipe is a very simple and easy one, and the ingredients used are also simple, yet it tastes very good. So you should try this recipe by following these easy steps. I'm sure you would love it. The ingredients used here in this recipe are ground spices like 2 to 3 bay leaves, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, then I've used 4 cloves, then I've used 2 sticks of cinnamon, and I've used 2 black cardamom. You can see cloves here, 4 green cardamom, and 7 to 8 black peppers. We've also used 1 kg of peas. We've washed them. Then we've used a cup of ghee. You can use oil if you don't want to use ghee, but it tastes better in ghee. 2 to 3 chopped onions. Then 3 cups of basmati rice. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of the garam masala powder, and salt you can use according to your own taste. Now let's start with the recipe. We've also used 3 green chilies. Now first of all, we have washed the rice and now we will soak it in water. So we've kept the washed basmati rice in this bowl and I've added some water and I'll wait for it to soak. Until then, I'll put the peas into a pressure cooker, and you can see I've added water into it. And now I will add salt and cover the lid of the pressure cooker and keep it on the burner and wait until 2 to 3 whistles. Until then our peas will be soft and tender. Until then I've added ghee in a pressure cooker and I've added onions along with all the ground spices. So you can see that they are frying. I have to fry the onions until they are dark brown in color. Here I'm adding ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and salt. You have to make sure that the onions turn dark brown in color, because if the onions are dark brown in color, your basmati rice will be darker brown. But if you want your rice to be white, then you don't have to fry them until they are dark brown. You can keep them little golden brown. So here you can see that my onions are crispy and dark brown in color. So I'm stirring them. Now I'm adding a little bit of water and I will stir them along with the water. This way the onions and the spices, the ground spices, will leave their color in the water. And as I said, I want my rice to be dark brown in color. So I will keep on stirring them. Now at this stage I will add the garam masala powder. Since water is already in the pressure cooker, so this garam masala powder won't get burnt. Still have to keep on stirring it so that the onions leave their color, like I said. Now at this stage add the peas. Make sure not to over fry the peas. You have to fry them just a bit. So since the burner is on low flame, I'm stirring it and I'm making sure that the peas get fried just a bit. So here you can see I'm adding a little bit of more water and I will wait until they get boiled. So covering it with the lid. After I remove the lid, you can see that peas along with the onions is boiling. So now I'm adding the soaked basmati along with this water. Since our basmati rice was already washed, we don't need to throw away the water from the soaked basmati. You can if you want. So I'm stirring it, mixing the ingredients well, and I'm adding a little bit of more water and I'll wait until it boils again. Now Now at this stage I've added the green chilies and covered the lid, and I'll wait for them to boil. Here you can see that they're boiling, and you have to make sure that the water is just half an inch above the rice. Now at this stage I've covered the pressure cooker and I will wait for 2 whistles. After the 2 whistles you have to switch off the burner and wait until the whistle leaves the pressure cooker. You don't have to forcibly open the whistle, or you don't have to put the pressure cooker under running water for it to open. You have to wait until it leaves. That way the rice won't leave its moisture. Here you can see that I've opened the lid, and after the whistle had gone, and I'm checking the rice. I'm moving the rice from side to side. So I'm served it hot. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.